chase blues in a pouring rain. Tires on gravel, tears in gear, a steel string voice that cuts sincere. I don't wear white, I don't walk straight, but I make peace with every place. It's that hickory smoke redemption, sin slow cooked to dimension. Slide wheels like a second chance, where the blues and fire romance. Every burn scar tells a name, every riff carries southern flame. Tennessee hills know my tone, where broken men don't die alone. Oh. No doctor's fix for a soul this sore, just hot strings and a hardwood floor. We stomp out grief and open G, let the fretboard set us free. It's that hickory smoke redemption, sin slow cooked to dimension. Slide wheels like a second chance, where the blues and fire romance. No doctor's fix for a soul this sore, just hot strings and a hardwood floor. We stomp out grief in open G, let the fretboard set us free. Just a wooden stage and strings well worn. When the meal is served and the chords come clean, you feel salvation in the in-between. It's that hickory smoke redemption, sin slow cooked to dimension. Slide wheels like a second chance, fire romance.
Georgia with the tank half dry, left the badge in the mirror and a middle finger high, back tire twitching on a 2-lane line, dust in the lungs, throttle feeling fine. Never cared for a picket fence life, I roll with steel, not a ring or a wife. Got ink on my knuckles, scars on my name, but every damn mile feeds the flame. Boots don't shine, they kick indoors. We don't sip, we pour then roar. Biker creed nights and bedtime tale, we ride through storms, not fairy trails. Sunburned face and a torn up sleeve, if I stop it's just to grief. The brothers lost in time we burn, no peace earned, just rubber turn. We don't chase, we pull away. Full throttle hearts don't ever stay. Fuel in my veins, wind in my mouth, spitting flames rolling south. Redneck speed, no chain, no rain, just chrome and thunder in the rain. I don't break when the signs say slow. I was born with a need to go. Fuel in my veins, dust in my soul. A bike towpath route. Highway guys never sell you out. Pulled from wrecks and wiped off blood. Lit a smoke right through the mud. You ain't lived if you ain't fell and got back up to raise some hell. This ain't for likes, this ain't for fame. We ride for fire, not for a name. Fuel in my veins, born from grit. We don't dodge, we deal with it. Metal soul and busted grin. We ride out what others keep in. No parade when we roll by. Just crack roads and rebel sky. Fuel in my veins, never on leash. Southern blood that won't preach. No tomorrow, just a ride. With brothers dead and pride beside. If I go, just burn the frame. Scatter smoke, not some name. Tell them I wrote, not that I prayed. Tell them I hit what others swayed. And if they ask what I became, say I fed the road and stoked the flame. Don't need a stone, just tire marks and southern thunder in the dark. Hell in my teeth, rolling wild past disbelief. Shadows stretch, but I don't slow. Redneck rider with no bow. Crossed the line and lit the fence. My legacy makes no pretense. Fuel in my veins, grit on my skin. Let the storm begin. Hit that old main street just before sunrise. Bar sign flickered, saw my old friend's eyes. We shared a night, no words needed then. Just stories written on our leather and skin. Took two chairs by the open door. Shared cold beers and what we stood for. We laughed at time, we laughed at scars. We'd come far by chasing these bars. From gravel to glory, we've come this far. Ripped blacktop miles under broken stars. We earned every line, we earned every fight. Rode together into the night. Hand on my shoulder, the same old hole. Brotherhood deeper than rust or gold. Today we ride where we made our names, and tomorrow we'll carry these flames. From gravel to glory, we've come this far. Ripped blacktop miles under broken stars. We earned every line, we earned every fight. Rode together into the night.
on her truck was loud. Tires peeled off, she didn't turn around. Left that note on her wrinkled shirt, said don't chase me, it'll just hurt. She knew I'd stay just like my kin. Same old bar, same box we're in. But I felt fire when she looked back, like maybe freedom ain't off track. Exit 9, that crooked sign still swings wild like a rebel spine. Used to drink behind that churchyard wall, now it's condos and a shopping mall. Every name I knew moved on or fell, some in grave, some in county jail. But I still ride that weathered strip with half a prayer and a busted lip. She said the road was made for pain, but I still drive it in her name. Exit 9 forever written in dust, memories ride on diesel rust. Lost that girl but kept her line, don't be a ghost in your own time. I burn that route like it's still warm, haunted by love and redneck farm. Exit 9, no going back, just smoke, regret, and a whiskey track. Uncle Joe's still gassing up, says I'm chasing what ain't enough. But he don't know that southern grin, she had it once, I saw it win. Ain't about her, it's what she meant, a chance to break what life had been. And I might die in this same spot, but damned if I don't give it a shot. Still hear her boots on hardwood floors, like freedom knocking on my doors. Exit 9 forever, fire and ache. I gave up pride for one clean break. Never begged, but damn, I tried to leave this town with my boots tied. Every wrong turn brings me near that faint laugh I used to hear. Exit 9 still burns like tar. She's long gone, but not that far. No map shows what she became, but I still curse that exit name. Now the signs are cracked and bent, just like the men they represent. But I keep circling, tank half low, looking for something I can't tow. If she's alive, she's out.